Hello and how are you friends? All of you are most welcome in your loving one person family. I'm your soul friend, Tales and Twist. Come on guys with me and help to rescue a man. Later I will carry you soon in a journey of new story. Bound by love, fueled by courage. So now let's go! In a vibrant, bustling city lived two young souls, Charles and Jenny. Charles was a software engineer, known for his sharp mind and dedication to his work. Jenny was an artist, her heart filled with colors and dreams that she brought to life through her paintings. Though their worlds were different, they were bound by an unshakable love for each other, a love that was simple yet profound, steady yet passionate. Their relationship had always been filled with joy. They encouraged each other's dreams and celebrated every little victory. Jenny's art began gaining recognition and Charles' career was on an upward trajectory. Life seems perfect and their love felt unbreakable. They often talk about their future together, building a life full of love, laughter and mutual respect. But life, as it often does, threw them a challenge they never saw coming. One evening while returning home from the work, Charles was involved in a severe car accident. The impact left him with the spinal injuries that threatened his ability to walk. Jenny rushed to the hospital, her heart pounding in fear and desperation. When she saw Charles lying in the hospital bed, fragile and in pain, her world shattered. The doctors informed them that road to recovery would be long, difficult and uncertain. Charles, once full of life and ambition, was now consumed by despair. He struggled with the idea of being dependent on others, and the fear of not being able to live the life he had imagined with the Jenny haunted him. He began to withdraw, distancing himself from the woman he loved, not wanting to be a burden to her. But Jenny's love for Charles was stronger than his fears. She stood by his side, determined not to let him sink into the hopelessness. She encouraged him every day, pushing him to believe in the possibility of recovery. "We will get through this together," she would say, her voice unwavering even when her heart ached. Jenny took on the role of Charles' caregiver, managing her art career while also giving his constant support. She helped him through the painful process of physical therapy, celebrated his small victories, and held him when frustration and pain became too much to bear. Their days were filled with challenges, but also the moments of love and connection that reminded them why they were fighting. One day, after the months of therapy and hard work, Charles took his first step. It was shaky and it took all of his strength, but he did it. Jenny's eyes filled with tears as he watched him stand on his own. In that moment, all of the struggle, the pain and the fear faded away and replaced by a deep sense of hope. Their journey was far from over, but that step marked the beginning of a new chapter in their lives. Charles slowly regained his strength, and while there were still difficult days, they were faced them with courage, knowing that their love was their greatest source of strength. Years later, Charles was able to walk again, and Jenny's art career flourished. They had built a life together, not one they had originally imagined, but one that was even more stronger because it had been tested by adversity. Their love had grown deeper, fueled by the courage that they had shown in the face of unimaginable challenges. In last, moral of the story is, true love is not just about sharing life's joy, but also about standing by each other through the darkest moments. When the love is bound by courage, it becomes an unbreakable force that can help overcome even the most daunting challenges. Love and fueled by courage can heal, restore and strengthen beyond the measure. With a smile, I will say all of you, I love you, goodbye, good luck. I'm your soul fan, Tales and Twist.
See it on my face, I made up my mind. Not another day, you're on borrowed time. Let me get away, yeah I'm running, yeah I'm running. So love me or leave me, I'm standing alone. Can't shake a feeling that lives in my bones. Lie to me, show me you wish that you could, but nothing you gave me is worth what you took. 'Cause baby, when I'm gone for good.